Today's 2-minute tech tip is on Google Drawings. So when you are in your Google Drive, you can click on New and More, and it will take you to Google Drawings. And it will just open up a blank Google drawing. You could also type in the URL drawings.google.com, and when you do, it will bring you again to a blank Google drawing. Now, this will allow you to do a lot of things. It's more than just the paint. You can change the page setup if you want. It comes with some presets, but I can go to custom and say that I want this to be an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. Okay, and I can insert text boxes and type whatever information in there. I can change that text to different fonts. I can make it larger. I can put a border around the outside of the box if I want. I can move that text box around to wherever I need it to be. I can put shapes on there, and when I insert a shape or when I draw a shape, I can change the color or make it a transparent. I can give it a gradient. I can type in that. If I just start typing, it will automatically put it in there, and you can center that. You can give it dotted lines around the outside. There are lots of different things you can do. You can insert pictures from a variety of places. And for example, you can make worksheets that look, or handouts that look a little bit nicer than the typical just text. If you are in Google Docs and you're writing a paper and you want to insert an illustration and you want to draw that illustration, you can also go to Insert Drawing. It brings up again the Google Drawing kind of tools, and you can put your Venn diagram in there that you want. You can make that Venn diagram. Again, you would need to make it transparent so that you can see both sides, both circles. You can move those around. And there are all kinds of tools that you can use in here. Bolding, italicizing. When you're in Google Drawings, you can arrange things so that they will align left, center, top, middle. Okay, and a lot of different tools to use. So have fun playing with it and see what you can come up with.